Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Defender for Office 365 anti-phishing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Microsoft Defender for Office 365 anti-phishing, start by signing into the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. Use your admin credentials to log in. Once you are in the portal, navigate to the Email Protections section found in the left-hand navigation pane. Next, click on the Policies option that appears under the Email Protection section. In the Policies section, locate and select the anti-phishing policy. If you don't have an existing policy, click on the Create button to start a new one. Input a name and optional description for your anti-phishing policy. Select the users or groups that you want the policy to apply to. Proceed by clicking Next to move to the policy configurations. In the policy settings, enable features such as user impersonation and domain impersonation to enhance your protection. Review the thresholds for detection and adjust them according to your organization's requirements. Ensure that the option to notify users is toggled on to alert them of potential phishing attempts. After configuring the settings, click on Next to proceed to the review step. Carefully check all the settings in your policy to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied with the configurations, click Create to finalize the policy. After creation, the policy will automatically apply to the users or groups selected earlier. To monitor the effectiveness of your anti-phishing measures, regularly review the reports available in the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. Stay informed about any phishing incidents or trends to continuously improve your organization's defense. That completes the steps to enable Microsoft Defender for Office 365 anti-phishing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.